Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about elements of art and most specifically shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be sharing my screen and we are going to go over a presentation in Nearpod. And this is for everyone who missed either our live session or is doing this work asynchronously. So I'm going to come over to here to Nearpod. So what you really want to be thinking about while you're completing your assignment that's linked to this slideshow is how can understanding shape help us create and respond to art? By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define and describe shapes and analyze the use of shapes in artistic work. Next time, we're going to be talking about more how to interpret space and how that can be used to create shape. So when we were in our live session, we took a look at two different pictures and comparing the shapes. So we had a picture of the Brooklyn Bridge in New York City. And right now you just kind of want to look very closely and notice what kind of shapes are used in this landscape. And then you want to compare that to the shapes that you notice in this picture of a pond. So just kind of think to yourself what you're seeing and how each picture differs from the other one. All right, so we can skip over that. That was just you kind of thinking about it. All right, so today we are going to explore how artists use shape in their art. Then we'll analyze the use of shape in artistic work and discuss how space can be used to create shape. Learning about shapes is important because it's necessary for creating and responding to art. So this video is linked to Google Classroom, so you can just watch it through there. So in art, shape is a two-dimensional or flat area surrounded by a line. All shapes have height and all shapes have width. There are two main types of shape, which are geometric and organic. We're going to talk about those in the next two slides. Geometric shapes are easily recognizable and usually have a very specific name. Also, they're usually made by humans and not really found naturally in nature. Some examples of geometric shapes are circles, squares, rectangles, and triangles, which you can also see at the bottom of the page. Organic shapes are usually more one of a kind, they're more unique, and they don't usually have a name. Although you can see with the four pictures here, three of them are shapes that have names. So a pear is very recognizable, a tree is very recognizable, and a cloud, although that shape can change a lot, still pretty recognizable. Organic shapes are usually curved and are usually associated with things found in nature, which all of those things are. So we're going to skip over this part, And what you're going to be doing for your assignment, this was kind of our practice/exit ticket. What you're going to be doing for your assignment is looking closely at two paintings. Inside the Google form that's attached to your assignment, which kind of looks like this, there is going to be a painting by Kehinde Wiley, and it's called After Sir Joshua Reynolds' Portrait of Samuel Johnson. And then the other picture you're going to be analyzing is Mont Saint Victor by Paul Cézanne. So there's just a couple questions about each of those paintings and a couple questions at the top, which is your independent assignment for the week. So basically what you're going to be doing, and this is what the other class did with their exit ticket, is you're going to be looking closely at this painting, or any painting really, and you're going to describe the shapes in it. Are they geometric? Are they organic? What do you notice more? What plays a bigger role in the painting? And yeah, hopefully, let me stop sharing my screen. Hopefully that was a good glimpse into the differences between geometric and organic shapes. And remember that your assignment is posted in Google Classroom along with that video. If you have any questions, please email me or comment in the assignment in Google Classroom. Have a fantastic day.